In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Kajabi subscription. To do this, you can open up Kajabi and go to Settings in the bottom left. From within Settings, scroll down a bit until you see Account Settings and there click on Subscription and Billing. Now here you'll see the plan you are on. Go and click on Change Plan. Now if you haven't done so yet, you will need to first enter your address. So after adding your address and again clicking on Change Plan, you will see this. So this is the current plan, then you can upgrade to another plan, but if you scroll down, you will find no longer happy with Kajabi. Now, by the way, you can also park your account, which means they basically pause it, which can be a good option if you may want to continue using it in the future and you don't want to start over again. But if you just want to cancel it, click Cancel Subscription right here, and then click Continue Cancellation, then again, Continue Cancellation. Then give a reason, so for example, I was just testing the platform, then click Complete Cancellation, and now your subscription is pending cancellation. So now you know how to cancel your Kajabi subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.